Well, go on, viewers and subscribers. It's your guy, One Love Africa, aka Chef Ricardo, the baddest and maddest Jamaican chef in Kenya. So, right and only Jamaican chef in Kenya at the moment. But, anyways, let me get right into it. So, right now, I'm going to make some lunch, and I'm going to make, what I'm going to make this morning? Yes, I'm going to make jerk sausage fried rice. You want some Jamaican jerk sausage fried rice, and I'm going to use up the ingredients that I have because I don't have much ingredients like spices in the fridge that I really want to put inside of it. But I have the main stuff so far and it can work. So I don't have a charcoal or a grill at home. As you know, I have to improvise, and as you know, as a chef, I know how to make things work. So you will never be hungry or starving or run out of ideas when you're around me. So if you want to see the way I'll make my jerk sausage fried rice, yes, egg is going to be inside of it. And for those who do not eat eggs, I'm not doing this for you guys. You see? So, jerk sausage fried rice. Let me get into it and show you guys the ingredients. As you guys see, I have my jumbo sausage. My German jumbo sausage right here. Choma, beef sausage, only beef. You can make with chicken sausage also, or for those who like to eat pork, okay, it's pork sausage, but I'm using beef sausage. Here I have my carrots, already diced and cut to perfection, the way I want them. Yes. Here I have my bell pepper right here. Here I have 2 eggs. I'm going to whisk these eggs, beat the eggs until it's fluffy, and then pour it in the pot. I will show you guys the process. Here, I got my onion, purple onion. You can use any onion you want. If you want to use the white onion or the purple onion, it's optional, it doesn't matter. I use purple onion because that's what I have right now. And I like to use spring onion, like scallion, but I don't have no scallion. So sausage, carrots, pili pili, hoho. That's the way in Swahili. Bell pepper we call it, but in Swahili it's pili pili hoho. Eggs, onion. Also, I have oyster sauce, as you can see. Oyster sauce. I have soya sauce. And this is my secret jerk marination. So this is my Jamaican jerk marination. I made it. And for those who already know how Chef Ricardo jerk marination, the taste, if you buy it from me before, or you taste my jerk before, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. Yeah, so we're gonna add all of these in one. Here, this is the pot that I'm going to use on my mini 4-burner stove, and this is the rice. I already cooked the rice like an hour ago. So I cook the rice and I let the rice set. Normally when you're doing fried rice, you have to cook the rice a few hours or overnight. So when the rice stay overnight, it's better. So for those who do not know about fried rice, yeah, because I was working at a restaurant before and I tell them that cook the rice overnight and leave it and then fry the rice. They say, oh no, that's not right, that's not so it's supposed to be, and it caused an argument. Yeah, big argument, because I'm the chef and I'm telling them what to do, and they're going to tell me that what I'm saying is wrong. And they never go to culinary school, they never go to any art or institute, and they never cook fried rice before. So I don't know, I do not know how these people is going to tell me how to cook my food. As you can see, yeah man, light up the stove when I click off this button. Yeah, this button, just click it, turn it, and it's ready. So let's get into it. Yeah man, it's ready. So I'm adding my ingredients now. First, I'm gonna add in some oil, and after the oil, I drop in my carrots and stuff to start work. Alright viewers, so right now the oil is hot. As you can see, the pot is extremely hot. So I'm going to add these inside of it. It's time to jerk the sausage. See, jumbo sausage. Add in my jumbo sausage. Yeah man, now add the jumbo sausage right now. Okay. And now I'm going to add the jerk marination seasoning. So remember viewers, this jerk marination seasoning, if you want it, you can buy it. You can get it only from me. This is better than Walker's wood. And this one is a special one. So this one is weed jerk marination. They call it bangi here. Or you can call it marijuana. So it's a special jerk marination. If you want this to buy, you can reach out to me. Yeah, man. Smells so good. Smells so good. Alright, so now I'm gonna add the carrots. Voila! You know I love my carrots. Carrots is good for you. You can actually eat the carrots raw. See for yourself what it's like. Yeah, man. Yo, this smells so good, viewers. So good, too good to be true. Then I'm gonna add my onions. And for those, you can cook this any way you want, but this is my way. And you can add more onions if you want. But cooking my fried rice, I like to add a lot of seasoning, like a lot of onions, a lot of bell pepper, a lot of carrots. But today, I'm not going to add too much. I'm just showing you guys something quick. Yo, this smells so good. Yo, viewers, wagwan! I want to give you guys some of this. You can taste and tell me what you think. But too bad you're not here. So for those who's coming to Africa, to Kenya, Nairobi, or anywhere in Kenya, and you want Chef Ricardo to come and cook for you, just reach out. The egg, I already whisked my egg, or you can see you beat the egg. So beat or whisk, same. I use 2 eggs, but for those who want their fried rice to be more fluffy, you can use more. Yeah. I use 2 large eggs. Come on. Jamaican jerk sausage fried rice. As I said, I use 2 eggs, but for those who want to, who like their fried rice to be more fluffy with eggs, a lot of eggs, you can use up to 4. But I use 2 large eggs. It's optional for you. Whether you want the eggs in it or not. You don't have to use eggs if you don't. And for those who's vegan, you don't have to use the sausage either. You can use the same method with the jerk marination and cauliflower and broccoli and some cabbage. Same method without the eggs and the sausage. And you can have vegetable jerk fried rice. You don't need a jerk grill, jerk chicken. You just need one of this. And I make it from scratch. But this one is a marijuana jerk paste. I'm gonna add a little more in it because I like my thing to be rich. Marijuana jerk paste. And you don't have to worry because it's not going to make you high. It's an herb. It's like a flavor. Cookie with Chef Ricardo. So now I'm going to add the rice. Yeah. So I just add the rice into the pot. I change the spoon to a metal spoon because the plastic spoon can't manage. Yeah, manage the damage. You mix, mash out the lumps. I'm gonna add my oyster sauce. a little of my soya sauce. So viewers, I should be using my 2 hands, like one hand hold the pot and the next hand with the spoon, but because I'm using the phone, I to show you guys what's going on. Yeah, looking nice, right? And cooking your rice, you don't need to put salt. Do not add salt to the rice. Yeah man, do not add salt to rice. As you can see, it's getting there, it's getting there. See the flames? Okay viewers, so the food is ready, lunch is ready, and it's time to dig in and get inside of it. So I want to taste it and see what it's like. In this method of cooking, as I said, some of these seasoning and spice that I add is optional, and you can also add cabbage, because I like to shred a little green cabbage and sprinkle it in it. As I finish, I turn the stove off, shred the cabbage, and I put in it. Toss it one time and serve. Sometimes I'll do that, but right now, not into the mood for that. I'm not doing no pretty fine dining dangles thing, no. It's just me at home doing something, and I'm just trying to share it with you guys. So this is one of my blogs, food blog, Chef Ricardo, in live in action. You see me, you know? You know what I mean? She's actually seeing me now, making something for myself at home, because I haven't did a video in a long time. Yeah, I haven't done a video in a long time, come to think of it. The last food video I done was lamb chops. Yeah, was lamb chops? No, it wasn't lamb chops. It was curry goat. Curry goat in Kenya, yeah man. So anyways, I put my pot together and I'm going to share it on the plate. I'm not going to be prettying it up. I'm just going to put the food in the plate and start eat right away. Is it you want to see it or you don't want to see the final result? Bye. Viewers, look on this. Nice. Jerk sausage, egg fried rice. Yeah man, so tell me if you want a plate so I can send a plate come give you guys. Viewers and subscribers, it's your guy Chef Ricardo, and I'm about to dig in. So one thing about me you should know, if the food is good, you get my reaction if it's good. It doesn't matter if I me cook the food or not. I'm always honest when it comes to telling you about the food. So let me see. If the food is good, if it's bad, I would say it was not too bad. But I already know it's good. Sorry, because I hold the camera. Yo! Viewers, your guy Chef Ricardo. Right now, we need to dive into this some more, so I'm turning off this camera right now. I'm turning off this camera because I need to dive into this. Dive in, Chef Ricardo. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the channel to all of your friends, family, friends, anyone. If you know you can do a better fried rice, or you want me to cook something else, leave it in the comment section. Anything you want to see me cook next, leave it in the comment section. And then I will show you guys. If you want me to cook anything, mac and cheese, shepherd's pie, lasagna, leave it in the comment section. And then I will do it and show you guys my way. The Chef Ricardo way. I have a lot of secret ingredients and spices you guys don't even know. But yo, this wicked. Yo, anyway, we need to get into this. Viewers and subscribers, your guy One Love Africa. Well, go on.